Hello, my name is Annie and welcome to SteelMade. Today I'm going to be unboxing a flat top starter kit for outdoor grills. Okay, so opening, we have a great box. Initially, when you are looking inside of it, everything's really compact, but I do see on top here already, we have, I believe, flat top scrub. So let me go ahead and open it. Flat top scrub is an agent that you can use. It's just an ingredient you can use to get all the stubborn bits of food off of the flat top if they're not coming off with water. Your first use of the outdoor flat top, you want to wash it before you use it. So wash it with soap and water the first time, but after that you won't use soap. You will only use water, or you'll use this flat top scrub. And then also I see our cooking utensils. So this is a great thing to have when you first get a flat top. I think the starter kit is one of the best options that you can get if you're wanting to get a gift for somebody, or if you're just starting out. Of course, I'll show another gift or another option that has everything in a different video, but this is a great place to start, hence the word starter kit, because it does come with these. This is two squeeze bottles. I often use one for oil and one for water. And they also have wonderful caps that stay on. These little red caps, they do stay on there. So when you're cooking outside, it's annoying when anything blows onto the cap or gets dirt on everything. So it's really great to have something that's resealable. These are, and they can be packaged away after you're being used, and you really don't have to worry about them leaking out or anything like that. And then we also have a spatula. That's a slotted spatula and a solid spatula inside, and we have the food scraper. So you'll use a food scraper to clean all the oil off of or food off of your flat top, and then of course you'll cook with the other spatulas. What else do you need? It's perfect. The flat top oil. As I mentioned before, this is what you will apply to your flat top after you've cooked with it, you've cleaned it, you've steamed water on it and scraped everything off. Then you apply a thin layer of this oil on there to start your seasoning process. When you open the box, of course, the peanuts might be a bit of a mess, just to let you know, but they are the better option for keeping everything compact. We do have information. We usually send out a recipe card. These are great, so just check it out. Might not be something you like, but I do think that our recipe cards are pretty universal, and they're really simple. So they're regular ingredients and spices that most people have at home. So give that a go. And then we also have some information about our products on here. And if you need support information, this is there. And then also we have the manual. So this manual will give you all the instructions on how to use the flat top properly. Please, I beg you, give it a look. Here is the outdoor grill flat top. This does fit most grills. I think it fits about 90% of grills. So it's not very common that we have a grill that needs a custom size. However, if you do have a larger grill, we have some commercial places that sometimes have a much larger grill or a custom made grill, but they still want something like this on part of it or all of it. We do offer custom sizes. Just make sure you go to our website, SteelMade USA, and then check out custom flat tops. And that is where you would submit pictures and information of your grill. We also have a video on how to do that, so you can review that video to make sure that you're entering that correctly. Now about this grill, it has 3 edges to protect the food from falling off the side, which is great. But of course, if you've used a grill before, that's not uncommon for you to lose a little bit of food here and there, but this will help you lose less. And then you have the drip tray holes here in the front, so this will allow all your grease to go down. The flat top is made out of 3/16 American steel. We do make them here in Kansas. It is very high quality. It's not something that's gonna break on you. If you use it appropriately and don't heat it to like 1,000 degrees, it's not gonna warp on you. You always with steel want to do a slow heating process. You don't want to just zap it right away. If you're using propane, it works great. If you're using charcoal underneath there, that works well too. If you're using wood fire, I do want to warn you, sometimes people put too much wood under there and they just really blast the flat top, and that's not what you want, because as steel heats up, it expands. So if you have the fire under just one concentrated spot, it's going to expand that one spot, and that's where you get the warping issue, because it gets just too hot. But you would just heat up the entire flat top all at once, kind of on like a medium heat, and then you're ready to cook and it's ready to go. Also, the steel is going to infuse your food with heat faster. So when you cook with steel, it does infuse the food a lot faster than what a regular grill would. The grill grates, there's a lot more air with the grill grates, but then also it will give you a nice sear on any kind of meat. And if you're gonna do ground beef instead of just like a hamburger patty, again, I've used hamburger patties and they've fallen apart and gone through the grill sometimes. This is a wonderful option for a grill. If you don't really enjoy grilling or feel like you're not a successful griller, don't worry. This will help you. This will help you become a very successful grill master. So go to our website, Still Made USA. Check it out, see if you have any other questions. And if you do have questions, email us at info@stillmadeusa.com or check out our chat option on our website. Thank you.